Welcome to Swat Valley Adventure Times. Faisal Khattak, 033297922994. M16 Motorway, Pakistan. The Swat Motorway, Urdu. Pashto. Also known as the M16, is a 160-kilometer-long, 99 miles, 4-lane motorway and provincial-controlled access highway in the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province of Pakistan. Phase -1 of the project, completed in June 2019, connects the existing M1 motorway at Nowshera to Chakdara, while the under-construction second phase will extend the project to Fatehpur. Welcome to Swat Valley Adventure Times Tourist Guide. Faisal Khattak. Adventure Times. Swat District, Urdu. Also known as the Swat Valley, is a district in the Malakand division of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Pakistan. Known for its stunning natural beauty, the district is a popular tourist destination. With a population of 2,687,384 per the 2023 national census, Swat is the 15th largest district of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Swat District is centered on the Valley of Swat, usually referred to simply as Swat, which is a natural geographic region surrounding the Swat River. The valley was a major center of early Buddhism of the ancient civilization of Gandhara, mainly Gandharan Buddhism, with pockets of Buddhism persisting in the valley until the 16th century conquest of Swat by the Yousafzais, after which the area became largely Muslim, along with the Pashtunization of Swat and its neighbouring regions. In the early 19th century, Swat emerged as an independent state under Saidu Baba. State of Swat became a princely state under British suzerainty as part of the British Raj in 1918. In 1947, following the partition of British India and subsequent independence of Pakistan, Swat acceded to the Dominion of Pakistan, continuing as a self-governing princely state until it was officially annexed and merged into West Pakistan and later became a part of Northwest Frontier Province, now Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, in 1969. The region was seized by the Tehrik-i-Taliban in late 2007 until Pakistani control was re-established in mid-2009. The average elevation of Swat is 980 meters, 3,220 feet, resulting in a considerably cooler and wetter climate compared to the rest of Pakistan. With lush forests, verdant alpine meadows, and snow-capped mountains, Swat is one of the country's most popular tourist destinations. Adventure Times. Like, share, comment and follow.